The JSON merge batch function is used to apply changes from one JSON document to another JSON document. JSON string is a string representation of the target JSON document that will be modified. Batch is the string representation of the source JSON document to be applied to the target JSON document. This function is only available in Turbo Integrator. In this example, I am creating a JSON document and a JSON merge batch. Then I apply the merge batch to update the original JSON document. In this case, the batch adds a new field address, retains the user field, and removes the port field by setting its value to null. The result of the merge is stored in sjson of the batch and then written to a file named target.json. First, I am initializing a JSON document with a user and port field and storing it in a string variable named sjson_target. Then I initialize the JSON merge batch with the field address and user and set the port to null, which will remove the port field if it exists in the target JSON document. I use the JSON merge batch function to apply the JSON merge batch to the JSON document and store the result in the string variable sjson of the batch. Finally, the variable sjson of the batch is exported to a file named target.json. Let's run the process and then view the JSON file. After executing the process, the JSON file will look like this.